Hello friends and welcome back. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I'm going to demonstrate the working of a humidity sensor. So let's get started. Hope it turns out to be fun for all of us. First go to controleverything.com and search for HIH6130. Click the subsequent link that follows. HIH6130 is a very high accuracy humidity and temperature sensor. These are some of its features. Today I am going to interface HIH6130 with Raspberry Pi using Java. So for that we require our Java code. Our Java code can be found under resources. Go to resources and under Java code sample. Click HIH6130. The code can be downloaded from here as zip file or it can be found on GitHub. Go to github.com and search for Control Everything Community. This is our repository for controleverything.com on GitHub. Search for HIH6130 and click it. And under Java, we have our Java code. So this is how our Java code looks like. And now let's proceed further and see what kind of hardware do we require for our project to work. For our hardware implementation, first of all, we require a Raspberry Pi. These are the GPIO pins of Raspberry Pi. Next, we need an I2C adapter. This I2C adapter is available on controleverything.com. The purpose of using an I2C adapter is to simplify the connection between various I2C devices and Raspberry Pi. To make a connection between I2C adapter and Raspberry Pi, put the I2C adapter onto the GPIO pins and press gently. Next, we need our sensor, that is HIH6130. For making connection, we require connecting cables. Make sure while you make connection that the brown wire of the connecting cable is connected to the ground terminal of the sensor and same goes to the I2C shield. Next, to power up the Raspberry Pi, we require a micro USB cable. This is a micro USB cable. Insert it into the power jack of the Raspberry Pi. To provide Raspberry Pi with internet capabilities, we need a LAN cable. Insert the LAN cable into the Ethernet jack of the Raspberry Pi. If it happens so that you don't have a LAN cable, you can also use a Wi-Fi module. So this is all we need for our project to work. Now let's proceed and see how to interface our sensor with Raspberry Pi. To interface our sensor with Raspberry Pi using Java, we require a Java code. For our Java code, go to github.com and search for Control Everything Community. As I before told you that Control Everything Community is our repository for controleverything.com on GitHub. Search for our sensor HIH6130. Click it and under Java, we have our Java code. Before we jump into the code, I would like to tell you that I have used Py4j library on Raspberry Pi. A link is provided so as to help for the installation of the library. I would recommend you to install the library first before you jump into the code. Now let's see how to upload our code onto the Raspberry Pi. Go to Java and then HIH6130.java. So this is how our Java code looks like. Here I have imported all the things that are required for our I2C to work. Now I am creating a class whose name is same as that of our sensor. Under main function, I am creating a bus instance of I2C bus class. Now I am creating a device whose I2C address is 0x27. Here I am reading 4 bytes of data back from the sensor. The first byte that we receive is humidity MSB, the next is humidity LSB, the next is temp MSB, and the last one is temp LSB. The formula for the conversion of the raw data into valid data is given into the datasheet. Now here I am outputting my data onto the console of the Raspberry Pi. Now let's see how to upload our code onto the Raspberry Pi. Now to upload your code onto the Raspberry Pi, first copy all the code and go to terminal. Using VI, create a file name the same as that of your class and .java extension. Paste your code and save your file. Now to compile your file, type py4j and your file name with .java extension. It will take some time to compile. Now to run your file, type py4j and your file name, and this time without any .java extension. So here it is our output onto the console of the Raspberry Pi. Now when I press my finger, the value changes. And again. Now that we are done with the interfacing and working of HIH6130, let's talk more about it. HIH6130 has a very high precision for humidity measurement. It also has a very wide range of temperature measurement. It finds many applications in different fields like in respiratory therapy, air compressor, weather station, and the list goes on. For any query or comment, you can contact us on controleverything.com. Make sure to post on our community page. We are happy to serve you. The sensor can be purchased from controleverything.com. For more interesting articles, follow us on our Instructables. Make sure to like our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. At the end, take care and thanks for watching.